you guys, this is Diksha Sajdev from Bloggers Ideas, and today I'll be doing a detailed review of Spike Lee's masterclass where he teaches you independent filmmaking. I'm here so that you can figure out if this is lucrative enough of the money you invest in this masterclass. Before anything else, you should know that masterclass is a place where you get exclusive access to a plethora of information by the top ranking professionals in their particular fields. But first, let me do a quick introduction to this masterclass platform. Masterclass is a course website where you get to learn about a variety of subjects. What sets it apart from other educational websites is that Masterclass is a curated course platform that is taught by the leading experts from their particular industries, which is really unique in my opinion. It has two pricing structures. If you are looking to go for one particular course, you can go for the $90 option and get a lifetime access to that course. Or you can opt for an all-access pass where you can pay for $180 annually and access all the courses available. I would really advise you to go for the second option as the content in this platform is simply exceptional and it is really hard to choose from the variety that is available on the masterclass. You would crave to explore and know more about the courses and the knowledge that is shared by their instructors. But if you are sure and are looking for only one particular course, then go for the $90 option and get lifelong access for that specific one. Just to show you a quick overview of the masterclass homepage, here's the profile community where you can start a discussion on any course or topic or network with fellow students who have signed up for these courses. You can also gift an all-access pass to your friend or family member who can benefit from masterclass. It'll be like giving the gift of education and experience to your loved ones. You can access the courses which deal with various topics and choose which one would you like to learn or which instructor would you like to listen to. So that was all about the masterclass homepage. Now coming back to our masterclass where Spike Lee teaches filmmaking, let's decide whether it is worth your money or not. Spike Lee is an award-winning and an internationally acclaimed American director, and having a masterclass from him is a fantasy fulfilled for most of us. Spike Lee starts out by saying that there is no one specific way of making a film, or not all filmmakers are alike. There are some who make movies for the purpose of entertainment and some who try to spread a social message. He says the main drawback of learning in any field is that the teacher imparts a theoretical knowledge which is of no good. And he feels that he always had an advantage because he focuses on the real life examples when he is teaching his students. Shelton Jackson Spike Lee is an American film director, producer, screenwriter, actor, and a professor. His production company 40 Acres and a Mule Filmworks has produced more than 35 films since 1983. He made his directorial debut with She's Gotta Have It in 1986. Now let us move on to the Independent Filmmaking Masterclass course by Spike Lee and see what it has to offer. Now when you decide to invest your money in this masterclass, you can be content that you will fathom out the fundamentals of filmmaking. Spike Lee's excellence will guide you through the process of becoming a successful director like him. He also provides you with a blueprint of his writing process so that you come to know about the steps involved in it. He feels that a filmmaker has the power to influence people. Therefore, they can create stories which pass on a social message. As the course proceeds, you will learn about the importance that casting holds, how the camera angles and movements enhance the visual aesthetics, the way in which a camera can be used to elevate the drama. Through the run of this course, at every step, you will learn something new and that will help you elevate yourself. You also get a 56-page class workbook that explicitly leaves you with the clarity that you require. Now let us take a walk through each section starting from storytelling. As a writer-director, it's important to have your own voice. This means having a distinct approach, whether it's via a favored camera angle, lighting, or the city or culture your stories explore. Voice is what gives your work a unique style. One way to have a unique voice is to tell unique stories, and there is no better way than to mine your own life for material. Many of Spike's earliest films were inspired by his personal experience. She's Gotta Have It movie originated from conversations he and his friends had about women. School Days was reminiscent of his college days at Morehouse College and Clark Atlanta. The result was a powerful story that not only resonates but it is sadly reflected in real life. Stories which originate from your own life will often be the ones about which you are most passionate and know intimately. Spike Lee has never really believed there's only one way to do anything. If you're telling a historical story, remember your audience. You want your audience to make the connection between the period you're depicting and the current day so that it has an urgency. Humor is a powerful tool that can help you make this connection. Don't be afraid to use it if it's there and it feels natural to do so. Endeavor to make your story more than just a history lesson. Trust your instincts when you are writing your screenplays. Don't be afraid to break the rules. For example, when Spike writes, he doesn't think about his work fitting into the 3-act structure. Some may consider this blasphemy, but Spike believes it's important to question the norm. But if you can write 2 characters who are at odds and yet they are both somehow right, you've hit the drama jackpot. Now let's talk about importance of casting. Choosing the right cast for your film is critical and should not be rushed or taken lightly. Taking time on the front end to audition actors can save a lot of time and money on the back end, as it can be difficult and costly to fire an actor or edit out the bad performance. Do not be afraid to ask an actor to audition more than once. It is through this process you can witness the actor's approach over time and ultimately trust them with the role. Do not be afraid to cast people who might not physically look appropriate for the part, as Spike learned with Barry in Jungle Fever. Spike initially believed Barry, a former pageant contestant, was too attractive to convincingly play the role of a crack addict. He and his casting director Robin Reed called the actress back to read 5 or 6 times. On one of these auditions, Barry dressed the part to convince them that she had the acting chops, which won her the role. Now coming to the pros of this course. It is the first time that Spike Lee has come to a platform to share his secrets. The videos are only available on Masterclass, so they are 100% exclusive. You also get a 56-page class workbook which will guide you through the nuances and has all the information you need. You get an access to 19 video lessons from Spike Lee himself. The case studies provided in this masterclass also help you gain an insight to Spike Lee's personal work. This course is perfect for the people who are into filmmaking. The video lectures will cover all the basics and propel you towards the path where you are certain about your right way through this industry. This course is also for the people who are working as filmmaker director. After doing this course, you will assuredly learn something new. Spike assures his viewers that the phase of self-doubt and intimidation is a part of life and even he has gone through the same spot, and that it is one of the most relatable things for an aspiring filmmaker. The young people in this industry also feel connected to him right away as he climbed his way into the industry without any film background. The class workbook attached to this masterclass helps his students to gain a copious insight into his teachings, and from the multifarious nuances provided in his video lessons, you will realize the different possibilities in which your career can be shown a better path. Now coming to my honest review on this masterclass. We all expect substantial outcomes when we choose a career we feel passionate about. Inspired and motivated by Spike Lee, I promptly decided to subscribe to his masterclass. The content of this course left me wonderstruck as it made me realize that there was so much more to filmmaking than what I was learning in my college. What I got was his years of experience and his personalized thoughts on mastering the art of filmmaking. After his masterclass, there was a huge degree of elevation and I'm hopefully in a position where I can apply what I have learned. So that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We would love to hear your thoughts for the same in the comment section below. Also, I would highly recommend this detailed masterclass course by Spike Lee to those who are extremely passionate about filmmaking. Also, if you wish to do this course, you will find all the details in the description box below. If you really like this review, then please like and share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay notified of whenever we post. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye.